This demonstration we're going to look at shrinking a volume and also extending volume. Now the reason you may want to shrink a volume, and I've done this before in the past on a laptop, is I've shrunk a volume down to free up some space to allow me to get the thing to dual boot Windows 7 and Windows 2008. Also, I have run out of disk space before, so extending a volume can be useful to get me a bit more disk space. Now what we can do is we can shrink and extend in both disk part and also the disk management GUI. What we're going to do here, just as part of this demonstration, we're going to actually shrink a volume by using disk part, which is a command-based utility, and what we're also going to do is extend the volume by using the disk management utility. So all I'm going to do is start a command prompt, and we'll run it as administrator. Now we're in here, we'll just issue our disk part command. Now we're in disk part, what we're going to do here is we're just going to select disk 2. We'll just list the volumes. And what I want to do here is I actually want to shrink my C drive, and I'm going to shrink it by 50 megabyte. So what we'll do here is we shall just select volume 6. Now we've selected volume 6, we'll just do the shrink and then desired, and we'll equal 50 meg. Right, so that's going to go in now and actually shrink that volume down. So what we'll do just while it's shrinking is we'll just pause the video. Right, so as you can see, we've successfully shrunk it by 50 megabytes. The next thing we're going to do here is just come into computer management. And within computer management, what I want to do here is I just actually want to extend my F drive here, and I want to extend that by another 50 megabytes. So we'll just right click, we'll extend our volume, we'll select next. We can see we've got some free space sitting here on disk 2. We're actually going to extend this by 50 megabytes and select our next button, select our finish button, and as we can see now we have an additional 50 megabytes. So what we now have, if we just right click and have a look at properties, we now have, looking at this, we've got 150 megabytes. And that's the end of this demonstration at looking at shrinking and extending partitions. Thanks very much.